Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the alternatives to the very popular Darkboard. So first one is Magic Mirror. This is like the open source modular smart mirror platform with growing list of installable modules. The Magic Mirror allows you to convert your hallway or bathroom mirror into your personal assistant. So this is something that you can actually like check out for yourself. And it's like very interesting one, as you can see how it looks like. So free and open source, unlimited customization, massive model library, works offline, extensive API, but it requires technical skills. It's built for tech thinkers comfortable with coding and hardware, so that's something that you actually like need to be aware of. Also, complex setup, requires Raspberry Pi, JSON configuration, no drag and drop editor. Okay, so this is the first one. I want to mention this is the first one to kind of like save you time, and that's what you're gonna get. Then also the digital calendar here. So that's another like Mango display. Mango display also turn the screen to custom display. Something to kind of like also check out. So we don't have to have like Raspberry Pi required, works on many devices, easy setup, free tier available, but you have like free tier limitations, cloud dependent, less polished, premium to full features, limited integration. Now on the home assistant, this is the kind of like the last one that you can actually like get, that we can like awaken your home and stuff like that. And for the dashboard is that it's free and open source, unlimited smart home integration, highly customizable, local control, calendar integration, weather sensors, automatic triggers, active community, works on any display. But you have like more like steeper learning curve, not purpose built for wall display, requires server, complex configuration, overkill for simple needs, maintenance required, and not built in photo slideshow. So again, it's like even this could be like beneficial to you. And I want to make this like quick video. I hope it was at least a little bit of beneficial, and have a great day and goodbye.